Want to know how to name variables with data types in Java? So in this video, we'll be learning how to give names to variables in Java. So whenever you type data type like int, double, char, boolean or string, you follow it with a variable name and optionally assign a value. For example, we have integer num equals to 10 value in our third line of code. So integer is our data type or our variable and we have named it number. So we have also added an actual integer that is 10 right here. So that's how you easily name variables in Java. So you can name your variable almost anything, but they must start with a letter, a underscore or dollar sign, and no spaces are allowed. Good names like price or other readable forms are good. So when you run the code, Java will print all the values of your variables, showing how data types and names work together perfectly. So right here in this code as well, our numbers should load up with characters and booleans as well. So you can just simply run this code to show. And there you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.